to race. Race number 4. Rather, race number 5. And the race is on. Dugus Pride by the Dancing Flower. On the outside, the Ice Storm Superior Art Doomstead. Ding-galing-galing, rushing up Amsterdam. Rushing up on the outside, the Hokyok Mr. Saber. Alice starts running at the tail of the field. And inside the last 700, Ice Storm the leader, followed by Dancing Flower. And ding-galing-galing on the outside, Superior Arc, and in between runners, Dugus Pride. Kihok on the father outside, Doomstead, Alice start Amsterdam as they race upon the corner. Ice Storm the leader by about 2 lengths. Dancing Flowers running by the rail. Superior Arc, Kihok on the outside, but still Ice Storm, Dancing Flower in second. It's still Ice Storm by about 2 lengths, Dancing Flower, and nearing the finish line. Ice Storm, Dancing Flower, Dugus Pride, Kihok, and Doomstead for